how to enable voice chat in Roblox step by step 2025 vertical bar easy tutorial. If you want to enable voice chat on Roblox, here's the real step-by-step method 2025 that actually works. First, go to the Roblox website or app and log in with your account credentials. Then on the bottom right corner, tap More and select Settings. Now, go to Account Information here. You'll need to add your phone number, email address, and verify your age. When you enter your phone number and email, Roblox will send you verification codes. Make sure to enter those codes to confirm your info. Next, upload a valid ID document so Roblox can verify that you're over 13 or 18 years old depending on your region. Once your account is verified, you're almost done. Go back to the settings menu, open privacy communication voice chat, and simply toggle the switch on. That's it. Your voice chat is now active. You can talk and play with your friends directly inside Roblox. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can activate it too.